Hello viewers, welcome from Ecomclips. This is your host Hassan. I have come up with another brand new video from Ecomclips. Today I will discuss Amazon brand metrics and how it helps you improve your advertising at every stage of the marketing funnel. So let's start the discussion. Stay tuned with me till the end. When it comes to measuring advertising effectiveness, sales are just the start. Brands also need to know how their marketing impacts all the customers' interactions and that lead to purchase, and how this translates to eventual business growth. Brand metrics can help provide the insights you need in order to understand and optimize your advertising. Brand metrics is a measurement solution that was recently introduced by Amazon. The solution supports the quantification of opportunities for brands at each stage of the shopper journey on Amazon. It enables e-commerce brands to gauge the value of multiple shopping engagements which have an effect on various stages of the journey. By using brand metrics, Amazon merchants can gain access to critical insights such as awareness and consideration indices. Additionally, they can run a comparative analysis of their brand performance with that of their competitors by implementing predictive models involving sales and consideration. It's important to understand your brand performance. Brand metrics measure the number of actual non-Amazon shopper engagement. It measures the impact of your upper and mid-funnel tactics and sees how they contribute to shoppers moving through the purchase journey. It evaluates engagement metrics to understand the value of your branded intent and how brand purchasers go on to generate additional sales in the 12 months following a purchase. It monitors your performance relative to your category and peers at each stage of the purchase journey and over time. It optimizes your marketing and advertising efforts in Amazon's store to engage more shoppers and build your brand. That's all for today. I will come back soon with more details on how you will apply brand metrics to the advertising strategy. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more help in the future. Thank you.